found your iPad is iCloud locked after a factory reset. Don't worry, this video will show you how to get rid of Activation Lock on iPad. Connect your iPad to the computer. Open PassFab Activation Unlocker. Select on the iCloud Activation Lock. Click Start. Read the agreement and click Next. It will download the Jailbreak tool for you. Insert a USB to burn the Jailbreak tool in. Click Start and confirm. Read the tutorial or scan the QR code to read it on another device. Restart the computer. Press F12. Boot from the USB. Press Options. Use arrow keys to navigate to allow untested iOS, iPadOS, tvOS versions. Press Enter. Navigate to skip 11 BPR check. Press Enter. Select Back to return to the main interface. Press Start and Next. It will put your device into recovery mode. Follow the guide to put your iPad into DFU mode. Click Start. Press and hold the Home button and the Power button together. Release the Power button, but keep holding the Home button. Once your device is in DFU mode, it will start jailbreaking automatically. Now restart the computer and open PassFab Activation Unlocker again. Click Unlock iCloud Activation Lock. Click Start, Next. Click Start. Now you can bypass the activation lock.